Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically edit a view-only Google Sheets. So go to Google Sheets, of course, and then go to the one you want to edit. As you can see, well, I can edit because it's like my account, so like it's pointless. But you're just going to basically select File, and then you're going to download it as like this Microsoft Excel, and then you're going to open it again in Google Sheets, and then you'll be able to edit it. Actually, never mind, I can't edit it because it's from another account, but you're just going to download it as Microsoft Excel or as a PDF. Then you're just going to open it. Let's put her there. Where did I even save it in? I don't remember. Let me just, sorry. I'm just going to drag it there. Then now I can edit it because I have downloaded it to my account. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.